Hey guys, I'm about to show you the 16 ml Timberwolf. It is the destination trailer, and so if you're looking for something to get out there or even to put it out on some land for an Airbnb or just relax in this is a really nice destination trailer, and it's shorter, but it has all the things that you need, that you could possibly need in an RV. So let's take a look. We're gonna go from the outside in like normal. Timberwolf 16 ml. You have your patio with the plugins for, you can plug your TV in, you've got speakers out here, you got lights out here, and then of course you have that LP quick connect out here as well, and then you have a leash latch for that little doggy that can be hooked up there. But there is your LP connect, so if you have a barbecue and you want to hook up, here you go. You got an outdoor shower as well. You've got your propane, which we do offer at no extra charge, the propane and the battery, so that will come with it. And then let me show you the back and how tall it is. It is the tankless, so you got the on-demand water heater, and then you do have the cable satellite out here as well, so you can actually plug up out here on the side as well as up there on the patio. So let's take a look inside. All right, so right away you have the table and chairs right here, which come out, and it doesn't come out a long distance, but it is nice that you're able to fold it. Let me just show you. Nice and easy, but when you don't need it, it can be folded right back down. This of course goes into a bed as well, so you have that option to pull that out and put down the table and pull this out. And then you have a rocking chair, and I love these rocking chairs. Reclining chair, because they're super soft. Both of the couch and this recliner are super soft. Up above you have a place for either storage, a twin bed, whatever you want to use it as. The ladder would be hooked up right here, and it is that Lippert ladder. And then you do have your entertainment as well right there. You've got a nice ceiling fan, which is always nice. You've got your curtain that goes across when you're ready to, maybe you don't want the sun to come in or whatever the case may be. And then you do have your shades up here that roll all the way down. They're super simple, super easy to roll down. I love these shades. They just work just like that. And then, it makes a huge difference. I love these shades because they actually do work. All right, so down here you've got your full kitchen. You've got a nice big sink. You even have these glass washers. Everybody loves them. I actually didn't know about them until I started working here, so everybody loves those things. You've got plenty of storage and drawers underneath. You've got your 3-burner. You got your oven. You've got some drawers underneath if you have pots and pans, so it's nice. You've got your microwave and more storage. Just goes all the way across. On this side, you do have more storage in here. I do know that some people actually use this as like a closet. They put a bar across, and they can hang up their clothes in here, which is great. You can use it for whatever you'd like. You've got a washer and dryer combo. You've got a dishwasher, which let me tell you, I love this thing. I love it. It's super easy, super simple. It doesn't take up much space, and it works well. You've got an ice maker and some more storage. And look at this refrigerator. Seriously, it's better than mine, and I thought mine was amazing. But it is so big, and it's so nice. In the back, you do have your bathroom, which covers from wall to wall, which is so great. So you've got tons of storage right here. which is, again, super nice when you're in an RV. You got plenty of space down here. You've got your shower over here that goes, I mean, it's quite big. You can sit in there. And then more storage underneath your sink and a nice big mirror. All right, so up the stairs. Up the stairs, you've got an area where you can put a king-size bed. You've got a fireplace, and again, more storage space. You do have a screen that can go on your sliding glass door as well. But look, I mean, the space is, you can sit up here. I can actually stand and bend over up here. So love it. You got plug-ins on the side for whatever you might want to plug in. And yeah, I mean, it's super spacious up here. In fact, the RV itself feels super spacious even without any slides. It's just so relaxing, and it feels like a home. But more importantly, you do have everything you need in this RV that you could want. So when you go out there, you do not have to worry about washing your clothes. You don't have to worry about having enough room in your refrigerator, your oven, your microwave. I mean, you have it all over here. So let me know what you guys think of this beautiful thing. And of course, if you want more information, just give me a call, text, email, come see me at Funtown RV in Waco. Ask for Rachel. Would love to help you guys out. But until next time.